Good evening, you guys. This is Kiana Chanel. How are you guys today? I am cooking something I never cooked before, and I'm trying to get the pieces. Oh, it's called Southwest Chipotle Chicken by Chef Jamie Alderete. So you just pretty much take it out the package, but I threw it in some hot water. Unthawed it first, and then I threw it in some hot water, and then I cooked it. So here it is, and I got some pasta with it, and then I'm gonna add well, Dalvin wants some these chili ramen noodles. He's gonna eat that with his. I wanted to do that, but we ate like the whole pack, and we only had like a 5. The pack is gone. Like, we love noodles over here. Okay. But Carson running around here in his little Pampers. I'm not about to show him right now. I'm not about to show him. Don't show y'all hubby. Hey.
Important badges here. Defensive badges. Now, let me tell you something.
Hey.
Brick wall is one of the best badges in this
I'm looking at
game,
some 2K
okay?
stuff.
You can knock people
I'm
down
playing
with
a
brick wall again,
2K20
just like
demo.
2K17. Now, I would put this, you know, if you're trying to make an effective big man.
Favorite thing to do. My super favorite thing to do right now. Love video games. Yes. I don't know what you just said, but okay. Okay, I hear you. But hope everybody's having a great day, a great week. Just cooking dinner early, cause I'm hungry, and the only thing I ate was a smoothie. I tried to make a homemade smoothie. It worked, but it didn't work. I should have just stuck to eating a hearty, healthy breakfast like I normally do. But I didn't get to do it, so it's okay. It's okay. Yes. Say hi. Say hi. But yeah, I've been saving some. Well, I got like 2 mason jars. I got a pickle jar right here, and I done cleaned out pickle jar. And I think up here, I got I got another one. But I cleaned it. I think it was perennial. I think this was olives. I know what perennials is. I think it's olives or something. I don't know. But yes. Okay, you gotta wait. It's still cooking, baby. Okay. Okay, buddy. Yeah, it's hot. It is hot, and it smells good. It's hot. Yeah, I'm still trying to get this together. It's almost about to get done. Pour that out, and put it on the plate. And add the chicken and stuff, and I'm gonna do Dalvin's food. And Carson's just gonna share with us, cause he's picky. He's a picky eater, and I don't know what he's doing. Yes. Can you get down? I want you to burn yourself. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's put this up. What's wrong? Come on. Say hi. Oh no. What? What? Stars? Where you see stars at?
No.
Oh, up there in the sky? You see clouds, not stars, baby. Hmm? Where you see the moon at? It's daylight. The sun is out. Yeah. What? Mont. Okay. What else? Hmm. Can you stick your tongue back in your mouth, please? Anyway, I just got up. I took a good little nap. Carson didn't take, I don't know, barely a nap, so that's why I got all this stuff. I don't know. And I did wash my face. I washed my face. I think I still got soap right here, because I did wash my face with the soap, so that's probably what that is. But yeah, y'all, what kind of movies you guys be watching? I've been watching, we watched a movie called I Still Believe in God. We gotta finish it. I Still Believe in God. And it's with these Asian people, and they're it's a family, and they're trying to figure out how they're going to provide for their family out there in China, but they had to move to Korea. And they made some good life changes, like believing in God for the first time. So, and I'm going to watch. I'm gonna try to watch Breakthrough, and I think Left. I'm gonna try to watch that tonight too. So yeah, what kind of Christian movies you guys been watching? Or what kind of movies y'all been watching? Any movies on YouTube, on Netflix, or PureFlix? We thinking about getting PureFlix, but I don't know, cause I miss Netflix, cause it has the Wu Assassins and some other stuff I want to watch. So I don't know what I want to watch. What we're gonna do? We're gonna plan to do something. Yeah, we're gonna have a long day tomorrow. My husband's great grandmother passed recently, so we're gonna have a funeral tomorrow. So keep us in prayers. Keep my husband in prayers. Keep the whole family in prayers. That would be very appreciated. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. It just stopped raining. Y'all, look at this. It just stopped raining. Look. It just stopped raining. Can y'all see anything?
Nope.
Oh yeah. The sun is out and shining. So it's pretty. Yes. But I'm gonna keep this short. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I gotta finish up cooking. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Oh, I got a watermelon, and I'm gonna cut it tonight. And I'm happy. Yes, a watermelon. I'm glad. I feel good in watermelon. We just need a little bit more ramen noodles. We need some more. We really want some more chili ramen noodles. That was our first time trying it. Was like, what, the other day before that. They so good. They better, I don't know. They might be better than the rest of them. Cause I normally get shrimp. We get shrimp. I eat the shrimp. But Dad don't like the seafood and stuff. So I eat the shrimp, and I eat the shrimp. We get the shrimp, the chicken, and the beef. Can you stop? Thank you. So that's what we normally get. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. Y'all have a wonderful day. I love you guys. I'll be back in a few days. If not tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, but maybe in a few days after that. Okay. See ya.